What's the meaning of cerulean? Cerulean. Cerulean.
Cerulean. Cerulean. Cerulean is a shade of blue that is typically bright and deep, with hints of green. Its name comes from the Latin word ceruleus, meaning sky blue. This color is often associated with serenity, calmness, and tranquility, as it resembles the clear blue sky and calm waters. Cerulean can be used in various contexts, such as fashion, art, and design, to create a soothing and peaceful atmosphere. It is a popular color choice for bedrooms, bathrooms, and relaxation areas to promote a sense of peace and serenity.